Hey guys, welcome back in advance. Today we're playing some Buddha Boat again. And today, this time we're going to play with rxking again. It has been a long time since I didn't play with them. So we're doing it.
Yeah.
Before we start,
what's up, guys?
You should probably go
guys?
Yeah, you should probably go subscribe to his channel, link in the description. And before we start, make sure to subscribe and like the video and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And now let's get started. Alright, what should we build?
So.
Alright,
No. Are you sure you want to launch? No, I don't want to launch my boat. No, I don't want to launch my boat. Okay.
Wait, what? Okay,
Alright, let's do this.
Alright. Ow, you just look, make me fling. Wait, what? I don't know. Oh, my block, I think, yeah. Is it gonna be this big or bigger?
We're just gonna make something that both of us could fit in.
Okay.
And really, really strong. Really, really strong.
Okay, I have strong stuff. So for the walls, I'm gonna put stone. A lot of stone. Stone is strong. Okay, got stone. This wouldn't be better if I was on a computer. Do this. Oh my god. Guys, if you can't hear me that well, you guys can, but just I'm gonna put up the volume. What happened?
This is looking good so far.
Yeah, like the stone, it's very strong. Oops. Okay, there.
I have no more wood left.
I have more wood.
We need to build some floors, so
I have leftover wood.
how we gonna do that? Oh, wait, hold up.
Wait, what?
I got this.
You got what? Oh yeah, I have that too.
Let's build the floor.
Okay. For some reason that wasn't like going on right. No. It'll be better. Oops. Yeah, you could just try to build that little spot. Hello?
What?
Build this little spot just like this. Okay, I have a strong wood thing.
I don't know if I.
Dude, do you have any jetpacks?
This is kind of hard.
Yeah, cause we're on mobile, by the way.
Yeah, I'm on mobile.
Same. But I'm on tablet, Android.
Oh.
So that's why it's a little bit hard to place things.
Okay.
And
I got eight left.
Make us to 10 likes, I guess, if you want a part 2. What? Or maybe we could just make a part 2. Guys, comment down below if you want a part 2 of this.
No.
Oh my god, it's so hard to place. What?
Wait. Take a screenshot. You know how to do that?
Yeah, no. I can take a screenshot. Wait, what do you want me to take a screenshot of? This mine? Wait,
It's been so long.
yeah, I know, bro. You want to make like a thumbnail?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it.
Okay. Let's do it like here. but I just need to remove my face cam for this. I need to remove like almost everything. Okay, 3. Okay, I took it.
Alright.
Then I can't put my face cam back, guys, so I'm sorry about that. Wish I can.
I ran out. I ran out. Oh no. Boo-hoo.
I have a lot. This is actually going good.
I got this one.
Okay, this is like so hard right now. What? You're putting glass. That's... I have windows instead of glass. Is this yours? Mine. That's yours. Hello, dude? Ow. Ow.
What's going on? Put a chair down.
No, like, is the floor complete? Oh, delete that. I'm gonna place 2 chairs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the other chairs, like these ones. I'm just gonna place 4 in case if we need 4. Right? Because, you know, sometimes your chair could break. So, I'm gonna put 4. Because your chair could break. You're making a hot mess here. Look at this. Oh, wait, you ready? Oh. I'm just gonna place the wall like this. No. It's so hard to place. No. I thought I lost connection. This, I'm just gonna spam this right now. Cause I just want to spam it because it's so hard to place it on Android. Should we get some like shelter? I'm gonna put shelter.
Oh.
Dang it. Okay. I need to close the chat. Oops. Yeah.
I'm just spamming everything.
I know. It's like so hard to make things here. Okay, just spam the roof. I'm spamming the roof. Spam. Oh, I thought that said I was max for some reason. Yes, I have good shelter here. Put shelter for this one. Okay, guys, do not do this if you're on Android. This is just for entertainment and faster. Okay, I'm ready. Sit down. I'm ready. I'm ready. Hello? Dude, I'm ready.
Let's just launch it. Launch it. Hold on, let me get on.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Dude. Oh, yeah, I have extra.
Hold on, don't launch it.
Yeah.
Alright, never mind. This is fine.
What?
What is this?
No. It's just like a... Wait a minute. What? It's just like a messed up boat.
You walk into a boat party, and you're like, hey guys, what is it?
I really need to try to make this a video clip.
I zoomed out and I look at it, I'm like, what is this?
I know.
What have we created?
I don't even know. Jesus.
I mean, we're surviving, so.
And the boat is literally tilted sideways because it's so weird. But it's actually not tilted sideways, just it looks like, because there's a block under us.
What if we beat it?
Yeah, let's see if we can do this. No! Oh, I thought you jumped out.
No.
Every time I'm this first person, I'm just like.
This is really thick. This is really thick.
I know. When I'm in
Why
first.
is this?
When I'm in first person, it looks so messed up. Third person, what is this?
Let me just look in third person.
I know.
What is?
I know.
Third person actually looks cool.
Yeah. Oh.
What if we beat this?
I know.
Look so close to it.
I know.
Come on, boat. You got this.
Yeah, I told you this. The stone blocks are very strong. It didn't even break a single one stone block.
Our boat is really, really strong.
Yeah, but you put a block under the boat, so now we're gonna be tilted forever.
Oh no!
And someone's calling me. Decline. Oh no! No! It just messed up. No! No! Now our boat is so. Now our boat
is gonna survive. Come on, boat.
Yeah, I know.
I believe in you.
Come on, boat. You got this, boy.
Come on, you got it. Last one.
Wait, this is actually the last one?
Actually, this is okay. I don't think we're gonna make it now.
Why?
Yeah, there's like so many after
I know. So many rocks. I feel like we're not gonna make it now.
Come on, boat. Come on.
You're stronger.
We got so far.
Yes, we survived.
I know you're strong. Come on, you're strong.
Ow, I just hit off a part. Our boat is a little bit breaky, but it's actually strong.
Getting closer to me. It's really getting close to me.
Whoa!
Oh no, Bodie, no! Bodie, why would you do that?
We need another.
Bodie.
We need another one to flip us up. I see one that can flip us.
No, Bodie,
Flip it.
Why
Yes.
would you betray us?
Ow.
Oh,
Okay.
you said we need another one to.
Ow.
He's pushing us back.
Ow. 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 Flip us up.
Bodie, no!
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Dang it. Oh, gee, no, Bodie.
Bodie, you're so close to the finish.
Wait, I need to zoom out. Oh my, there's sharks on this one.
We're falling apart slowly. No.
No, Bodie, you can
No.
do this.
No.
Oh.
Stop, don't hurt our boat. Don't hurt it.
Oh no.
Please.
Oh, they
Oh,
just
so
jumped
close.
right over us.
Ah,
Oh,
everything's so close.
oh, they're just going to random places. We're so close. We're next to the waterfall. We're at the
We
waterfall.
might win.
We're gonna win. This is I think this is the waterfall part. Guys, we're gonna win with this messed up broken boat. Right?
Oh, well, I made the boat with all. I spammed it.
I know. No.
Did we win? Did we walk?
No. We did it. We're not at the
No, we need the water to come back. Come on, water. Come on.
water. Water, we need to go. You're wasting so much
Come
time.
on. Come on.
Yes. Oh. Thank you, water. You flipped us up.
Come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're flipped up and we're so close to the waterfall. It's so
Go. We might win.
We're gonna. Ow.
No.
No.
They're landmines. The landmine.
You lost your hair.
Wait, I lost my hair? I lost my hair. Why would I lose my hair? I lost my hair.
I don't even know. No, almost.
I can't believe it. We're so close.
I know.
All because that's because I spammed every single thing.
Same, I spammed the roof.
No.
No!
I'm supposed to do this.
Okay, we're so not living. We're so dead.
How are we supposed to get through it?
I don't know.
We're gonna have to fight our way.
I know.
Come on.
Come on.
No, boat.
No. You can live. You're so close to the end. Oh.
You die? No.
No.
Stop breaking our boat.
No. No, I died. Oh, I have enough for the epic chest.
No.
You died?
We died.
No. We need to make a bigger boat.
We died. We died.
Guys, we'll be back.
Boat or what?
Okay, guys. Wait, do you want to fly? Do you want to fly? Because I have a way of flying. This might be hard.
Do you think I can survive with one block?
No. I tried before. But guys, we're gonna go fly. I do this to all of my friends. Dude. Ready? Fly? To spam those, okay. Dude, are you ready to fly? rxking.
Alright, let's do this. Come on.
Dude, I'm gonna fly without you. Okay,
Where
bye.
are you going?
I'm gonna fly.
How?
I'll show you. You'll see. This
Hold on. Put the chair there.
Don't cheer. Yeah. Do not launch it.
Oh.
Launch all of the balloons.
Oh yeah,
Let's
I
go.
remember this.
We're flipped over. We're flipping.
You might win this one.
How will we win this? We're not even gonna move. Actually, we might. Cause one time, our balloons popped. Then we actually made it to the treasure.
Come on, move! No, stop popping!
No.
That's it. Well, that was it. We didn't even go nowhere.
No. Ow, 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 ow.
Well, that was a bad idea.
I know, right?
That was a bad idea.
Do you know, I know how they made the water. Do you know how? So they got a block?
Quick solution. You ready?
What? Dude, do you know how they made the water? They got a block, then they put the block as sand, and they put it as blue. And they made it take damage. That's how they made the water.
Put chairs on these.
Okay. Okay, chairs. I'm just waiting. Chair. Here. Chair. Ow. Chair.
Alright, let's start our boat.
Yes! Okay, this was a very bad idea, actually. I'm pausing you.
I think we flipped over, but we're gonna keep trying till we not.
We just died.
We might win with our body parts.
I'm walking.
Right.
Do you know it's been 18 minutes through the video?
Yes, let's launch our boat. Help! Help!
Look, the water is actually sand. Where did you go?
I'm right here.
Where? Oh. No, rxking, come.
I was about to die.
No. Ow. Live, we can live. Ow. Skirt. We can live. No. I need your head. What? No.
I got on top of it.
How do you do that? Oh, I'm on top. We did it. Let's go. Do you know, if we had the jetpack, we could actually fly. Dude, reset your character. Reset. Dude, I have jetpacks.
There's a car.
Yeah, you can actually make. Yeah, you can make cars. But I'm gonna use my jetpack.
Bro.
Where's my jetpack? Where's my jetpack?
Oh, never mind. I just died.
Alright. Do you want to see my jetpack? It's gonna be awesome. I don't know how.
You see it?
What? You're right. You died.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! It's a tank. Oh my god, that was a tank. Mister, get away. Get away. We're YouTubers. Yeah, move. Cause I'm gonna fly. I could jump so high. Dude, I could jump so high. Look, dude, I could jump so high. I'm right on your face. Look. Whee! Whee! I jumped so high.
How'd you do that?
I have a jetpack. I have a jetpack, you see?
How?
I got it. There's a jetpack for 700, but the game just gave me this jetpack for some reason.
I used to have 700, but not anymore.
Rip. Wait. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here, so I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to rxking. He make awesome videos. And today,
Bye, guys.
bye.
Bye.
Woo.